The Tom Sachs X Nike I.S.R.U 3.0 has been one of 2025's most talked about sneaker releases, blending design innovation with behind-the-scenes intrigue. Nike and Sachs confirmed their renewed partnership early in the year, setting expectations high long before the September launch. Maintaining its recognizable neutral palette with the red and wheat split, the I.S.R.U 3.0 refines the utilitarian look first introduced in 2012 and 2017. Sachs, known for meticulous detail, previously showcased updates like open mesh polyester, a translucent DPU heel clip, reinforced toe cap, and a screen-printed swoosh, enhancements that highlight both function and evolution. The NikeCraft I.S.R.U camp wrapped up with select participants earning exclusive access, but anticipation now shifts to the wider rollout. Finally, Nike has confirmed the official list of retailers, with the I.S.R.U 3.0 set for a global release on September 19, 2025.